Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies for royal icing. We begin with the foundation, quality ingredients. You'll need 2 sticks of softened, unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar for that perfect tender crumb. Add 1 large egg and a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract to enhance the flavor and bind everything beautifully. Finally, combine 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt for your dry mixture. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, cream the softened butter and granulated sugar together until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Next, gradually incorporate your dry ingredients into the wet mixture, mixing only until just combined. Overmixing can lead to tough cookies. Once your dough forms, divide it into 2 equal discs, wrap them tightly, and chill in the refrigerator for a minimum of 1 hour. This step is crucial for easy handling. After chilling, it's time to roll and cut your cookies. On a lightly floured surface, roll out 1 disc of dough to a consistent thickness of 1/4 inch. This uniformity ensures even baking. Now, unleash your creativity with your favorite cookie cutters. Press firmly to get clean edges. Carefully transfer your cut cookie shapes onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, making sure to leave about 1 inch of space between each cookie to prevent them from sticking together during baking. The final step before decorating is baking and cooling. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your cookies for approximately 8 to 10 minutes. You're looking for edges that are just lightly golden, but the centers should remain pale. Avoid overbaking, as this will make your cookies too crisp for royal icing. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This is essential before any icing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.